At the Madlanga Commission, they asked Ket Matlala if he knows General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, and he answers that he met him once. They try to probe for more answers, and he says that he can't answer those questions because he has other pending cases with the tender that has to do with the SAPS. Here's the video.
I place on record that I know and have on one occasion met Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi. I do not have any relationship with him.
Are you in a position to describe very briefly, even just highlights, this meeting on this one occasion? Are you able to provide any detail?
And yes, Ket Matlala has met General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi in Durban, I think, and I'm assuming that he was trying to capture him because there was someone who was facilitating the meeting between Ket Matlala and General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. And yeah, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, obviously, they couldn't capture him, so it was just a minor meetings. We don't know the full details so far, and we don't know the details coming from Ket Matlala himself, because only General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi has told us how that meeting transpired.
I didn't provide any details because it has to do with the case that I'm attending in Pretoria for Medicare tender.
Sorry, please say that again.
I'm saying I cannot provide any details because my meeting with General Mkhwanazi, it has to do with the tender that I had with SAPS.
Okay.
With Ket Matlala saying that he doesn't want to incriminate himself is the whole thing that I've been saying about the whole Madlanga Commission, him being there. Like, the questions that they are asking him, won't he incriminate himself at the end? Because these questions, man, it might not seem like the questions are incriminating him. The ones that he is stopping himself from answering are the ones that he thinks, okay, this one, if I were to answer this, it's self-incrimination. But, you know, when you're dealing with lawyers, attorneys, and judges, they might ask you a very benign question. It doesn't lead to anywhere, but as soon as you answer it, you don't know what it's in connection with, and they might come up with a story that will incriminate you. So, hey, man, Ket Matlala needs to be very careful while testifying.
I place on record that I know General Phahlane. I'm unable to recall how many times I have met with him, and place on record that these meetings were, to the best of my knowledge and belief at the time, when he was no longer within the employ of the SAPS. I confirm that I have no business dealings with General Phahlane, nor have I ever asked for any favors from him or offered him any gratifications.
In line